A suspected serial killer back in the courtroom today, not to face additional charges, but because his attorney is worried he will not get a fair trial. Thanks for joining us. For Fox 40 News, I'm Nikki Lorenzo.
And I'm Eric Harriman. Police say that Wesley Brownlee shot and killed 6 people and injured 1 woman who survived. Fox 40's Kristen Vartan is in Stockton to explain what happened in court today. Kristen.
Wesley Brownlee's attorney asked the judge for a gag order this morning against officials making public comment. She says public comment so far from those officials has hindered her client's right to a fair trial.
Your Honor, it is my client's 5th and 8th Amendment rights that are at stake here. He is being deprived of the, as I stated, the sacred due process that is afforded in our democracy.
Wesley Brownlee making his second court appearance 9 days after he was arrested, being charged with killing 3 of the 6 people in the Stockton serial killings dating back to last April. Brownlee's attorney, Allison Norber, asking the judge to ban public officials from making comments like this.
He was on a mission to kill. He was out hunting.
Your Honor, as stated by Ms. Salazar also on October 18th, 2022 in that video press conference, we believe we have sufficient evidence to pursue these charges and prove them beyond a reasonable doubt. We are confident that additional charges would be added. Under Shepard v. Maxwell, Your Honor, this flies in the face of what the court should allow happen.
Norber stating in court Monday that public officials' statements quoted in multiple media outlets will prejudice the jury against her client before the trial has even happened.
Collaboration between counsel and the press as to information affecting the fairness of a criminal trial is not only subject to regulation, but it's highly censorable and worthy of disciplinary measures.
Meanwhile, prosecutor Elton Grau defends these statements from public officials, adding that First Amendment rights have aided their investigation.
We do want to give Mr. Brownlee a fair trial. But here, the statements have been made. The press conference statements were just basically a recitation of the facts of what happened in his arrest, the charges, and the standard of proof in which to prove these cases.
Grau is asking for an agreement where law enforcement can still communicate with witnesses and speak with the media at times to obtain more evidence to help their case.
The reason why we have a press conference is to get the publicity to, or the public to interact with us, because they may have some pieces of information. I do understand that sometimes we have to kind of, press the brakes a little bit.
And the judge will rule on her decision in court Tuesday morning. In Stockton, Kristen Vartan, Fox 40 News.